Hi, I am Brian. You are watching Golden News Today headlines. Number 1, Air India passenger plane crashes on runway in Kerala. Number 2, German woman diplomat killed in Beirut blasts. Number 3, South Africa, 24,000 health workers to be given a COVID-19 in South Africa. Number 4, Beirut fears second blast, alarm swells. Now details of headlines. Number 1, Air India passenger plane crashes on runway in Kerala. A passenger plane coming from Dubai has crashed while landing at the airport in Kozhikode, in the southern Indian state of Kerala. Authorities have confirmed that 14 people were killed and 15 seriously injured in the accident, according to French news agency AFP. They can confirm the death of 14 people, while the condition of the other 15 passengers is critical, local police superintendent. We currently have 89 people, most of them with severe injuries, who have been admitted to different hospitals in Kozhikode, says Sith Das, another police officer. Officials said 191 people, including the crew, were on board the plane, while state media All India Radio said 174 people were on board. According to British news agency Reuters, 191 people were on board the plane. According to news agency ANI, the incident occurred at around 8 p.m. with Air India Express, the Air India aircraft at the Kraipur airport. 10 newborns were also on board. Dubai-based Air India Flight 91344 crashed on the runway when it landed, according to a news agency. Air India has said it had 6 crew members, including 2 pilots. Authorities have confirmed the death of one of the 2 pilots. According to aviation officials, the plane crashed into a 30-foot deep valley after it crashed on the runway at the time of landing, causing 2 pieces to fall. Number 2, German woman diplomat killed in Beirut blasts. A female German diplomat was also killed in Tuesday's blasts in the Lebanese capital Beirut. Germany's foreign minister expressed regret over the death of the diplomat in the blasts. "We are all grieved at the death of our colleague," at the Foreign Office Foreign Minister Heiko Maas said in a statement. The female diplomat died in her apartment in the Lebanese capital Beirut, he said. The German ambassador to Pakistan also issued a message of tribute to the death of a female diplomat in Lebanon, expressing deep sorrow over the loss of the women and colleagues of the Mutawafia. Number 3, South Africa, 24,000 health workers to be given a COVID-19 in South Africa. The death toll from the coronavirus has crossed 7 million worldwide and the number of victims is over 1.85 million. According to French news agency AFP, more than 53,000 cases have been reported in the United States in the past 24 hours and 1,300 more deaths have been reported. The total number of corona victims in the United States has gone up to 4,771,000, while deaths are 156,839. Number 4, Beirut fears second blast, alarm swells. Fears that oil-laden ships at the port could explode at any time, Lebanese media. Beirut fears a second deadly explosion, alert issued, fearing that an oil-filled ship at the port could explode at any time, Lebanese media. According to the Lebanese media, there are fears that another blast could occur after the blasts in the city. Lebanese local media say that the port of Beirut, which has been completely destroyed, still has an oil-filled ship. There are fears that the ship may explode. The ship is feared to be in danger of further destruction as a result of the eruption, so people have been forced to stay away from the area. While Beirut local media described the incident as the deadliest in Lebanon's history. Thanks for watching Golden News. Please subscribe our channel and share this video. Have a nice day.